In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you how to make money online fast. Hey, this is Billy Freddy's, and in this video, I'm going to actually walk you step by step and show you a free way how you can actually make money online. Before I get into that, hit that subscribe button so you stay tuned for more videos like this, where I can share with you how you can make money, side income, and make even more passive income, which I'll share with you at the end of this video. And with that being said, let's get into it, and I'll show you how to make some fast cash. So check it out. There's a website called ClickBank, which you might have heard about. You just sign up for free, set up an affiliate account, and then what you can do is go to the marketplace up here, right, and find products. I put build a website, right? So I want to target people who are looking to build a website. Now it brought up a product, right, that says make money building websites. So when I click here to promote it, it'll actually generate a hop link, and I can grab this link right here and send people to this link. And when I do so, I can collect a commission if somebody buys this product. Now the product is something that shows people how to build websites. So if I click on the title, it'll actually show me the presentation page of the product. Build websites the easy way. So someone's looking to build a website, they're probably interested in this guide to say, hey, I can probably do this myself. That'll take them through every step of the way. And when you introduce people to this, if they buy, you make a commission. So as you can see, this product pays about $9 for every person that buys this product. Now check it out. All you have to do is go to say Twitter, right, and you can actually put in the search box, I need a website. So this is somebody, put yourself in the shoes of somebody who's looking to build a website, and then you scroll down and you see all these people. Look, I need a website recommendation, design. I need a professional website. There's a lot. I need a website. There's a lot of people looking to build a website or need some guidance on how to build a website. What you would do, and I've done this works, guys, I'm telling you, you would just contact them, right, and say, I actually have a cool guide that can really help you build a website yourself. You don't even have to pay a lot of money to do this, right? And you refer them to this product on ClickBank. So this is very easy. Anybody can do this. You can be the connector and you can sell products, and this is a free strategy. You can go out there, you can even do this on Facebook, Twitter, other social media, and you can make money. And in just 3 minutes, you learn how to generate some fast cash selling other people's products, and this just takes you a few minutes to get set up and you get going. So this is Billy Freddy's. If you found value in this, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and let me know what you think in the comments, and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos like this. And as I promised you, I'm going to share with you my #1 recommended source that's allowed me to make passive income and income from multiple sources. It's going to be the first link below this video. If you click that link, I will send you my #1 source that's paid me a lot more passive income. Okay, so check that out as well. And with that being said, go out there and make some money with the strategy that you learned today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.